guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do a review of the Nashville hot tenders. This is the 5-piece I got at KFC. Earlier I said Popeyes, but no, this is KFC. I hadn't had KFC in a long time. Yeah, I don't remember the last time I had KFC. It's all over TikTok, and Claire said, you know what, you should do a review of this. I'm like, oh, okay. It looks spicy and it looks really, really crunchy. But let's taste it, shall we? Spicy. It's pretty good. It has a lot of flavor. I like that it's spicy. I do like that they put pickles in here. The combination goes well. I got a Pepsi, by the way. I saw this thing on Facebook saying, like, this guy's niece said this looks like his little body, and then the guy said he can't unsee it anymore. It does look like a little body, even though it's a bow tie. And I forgot to say, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and also click on that notification bell so you can see new videos whenever I upload. It would mean a lot to me because I'm trying to get 1,000 followers at least. For the sides, I got fries. I should ask for ketchup. I don't have ketchup. Huh. Let me dip it in the sauce dough. I would buy this again, but I would put it in a sandwich or something. And I would probably order an extra side of sauce. I would give this like an 8 out of 10. I like that it's crispy. I do love the flavor. That it's spicy. The pickle adds a nice crunch. The chicken inside is moist. Moist. I don't know why some people don't like the word moist. I love the coleslaw at KFC. I thought I lost my fork. This is a spork. A spork. This is one of the best inventions, I think, because it's a 2-in-1, and who doesn't like multi-tools? It's refreshing. It just comes with a biscuit, you know. Does anybody else put honey with their biscuit? I think it's so good. Guys, it's so warm outside. Currently it says it's 81 degrees. I have my AC on in the car. Sorry if you can hear the noise. So I guess I had like one story relating to KFC. So Claire and I, we would go jogging. We're like, yeah, let's try to get fit. Let's be fit. And then I would always put $5 in my shoe. I'm like, this is an emergency, just in case if you want to get like a bottle of water or something. So we would jog, and then we were like, man, we're tired. Do you want to go to the library? And we're like, yeah. And then near the library in Milpitas, it's in Main Street. Excuse me. The KFC is right next to the library, and so we would go to KFC. We would get the little finger chicken sandwich or something like that. It's like a little bite-sized chicken sandwich. Claire and I would get one each, and I think a couple times we've done that. You know, we would go jogging but end up going to KFC and then going to the library and chill. It tasted like cigarettes, or it smelled like cigarettes. That's the story, guys. I am not good at storytelling. Like when I try to tell a story or when I try to explain something, it's all like mumbo jumboed in my head. Doesn't this look like a claw? Like this is Mr. Krabs' claw from SpongeBob SquarePants. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the KFC hot chicken tenders. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget the notification bell so you can see new videos whenever I upload. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Stay kawaii.